Okay guys, welcome to Smarter R. So today I will show you how to create a monthly mean time series of different time series in one plot. So by using R. So let me share the screen. Share screen, entire screen, and then share. Okay, I put myself down there. So okay. So this is what we want to prepare. We want to prepare a time series, and there is a 4 time series here, but I'm not going to overlap this one, but we want to do a time series plot separately, but in one plot, in one single plot. So as you can see here, we have time series for precipitation, relative humidity, temperature, and wind speed. So this is the output that we want. So let's see how we want to create this one. So first, let us look our input data set. So this is our input data set. We have year, month, and then variable that we want to uh, assess. So we have temperature, precipitation, wind speed, relative humidity, SO4, dust, and biomass. But we will not do all of it, but we will show you how we can do some of it. So first, let's install the necessary libraries first. You will need ggplot2, dplayer, and tidyr. So you can run this library, and then you read your dataset in your set working directory. That means your working folder. So this is my working directory. So my working directory is here. This is your folder, right, where you put your dataset. So we have this dataset just now, study parameter ZS2. So I put this, copy this working directory, just paste it here, and then put double here. This must be double. So you read your working directory, and then you read your data. So you read your CSV file, this file just now. This file, the input data of CSV file, not Excel file. You must save it as CSV file Excel. Okay. Now you read this CSV file by using function read CSV. So you read it. So this is, if you don't know how to read your dataset, you just copy the name of this dataset where you put your data, and then you can just paste it here, .csv. So then you read it, header equal to 2. So and then you convert year and month columns to date format. So first we convert that year and month column into date format. So date, so you use $sign for date, as date. So we read this one. So if we view our data now, we can view that. You see now we have at the end, I believe, yeah, you see that is there. The date file is there at the end here. So it will rearrange our year and month into this format. So, I like to read this kind of format, but Excel will be quite difficult to set it into this format. Now we filter data for 2021 to 2023. So we filter the data, that filter, from 2021 to 2023. So actually our data is already from 2021 to 2023. If you want certain year, you can filter this data by using this code. And then we group by month and calculate mean for all the variable that we want to assess. So in this case, I want to assess temperature, precipitation, wind speed, and relative humidity. So we group by month and calculate the mean. So you see, we want to calculate the mean. So use this code using that filter, group, summarize, and the mean function is here. For TAVG, mean function for precipitation, WS, RH. And then you run this one. So if we view our date monthly now, let's see, date monthly. I don't know if it's there. Date monthly. So it will read only for January until December. So we calculate the mean just now only for group by month because we want to calculate mean monthly, right? But our data set just now is monthly from 2021 until 2023. So we want to calculate the mean monthly from 2021 to 2023. So we have January until December, and this is the mean monthly value for each month, for each parameter. Now we reset the data to long format. So we use this code that monthly, we use pivot longer. So we use select months, TAVG, precipitation, and you see the months here just now. It will read from here, from the month that we already prepared. So we have month, TAVG, precipitation, wind speed, and relative humidity. We use pivot longer for columns here, names to variables, and values to values. And then we reshape it. So now we reshape it. No, okay, it's correct. Actually, error is this one. I read this one just now, so it's okay. So we can view the data now. How does it look like that long? So we can view this data. Now it looks like this. So we have January. It's actually from 2021 to, this is all 2021, and then this is until 2023. Oh no, this is 2021 for all variable, 2022 for all variable, something like that. It's just do into a pivot longer. And then now we have a pivot longer. Now we define the color for the plotting. For example, we define the color here. For the temperature, I put it blue, precipitation is green, wind speed is red, and relative humidity as purple. So we define the color of the plot first, and then now we make a plot. Now we prepare this plot. Let's see. So we plot multifaceted plot, arranged vertically. So we use that long just now, this one that we have prepared. AES, so we have AES means X and Y label. X will be months, Y will be the value. So the color of the variable and the group will be for the variable. Geom line, scale color will be based on this color we prepare. So X label will be months, Y mean value for each of the variable, and then color will be variable. So the title of our plot, you can prepare it here. It's quite long here. Mean monthly time series of, I can put it as study variable. Study variable. I don't need to put here. Okay, so this is our title. So, and then we facet wrap it. So we want to arrange it vertically. So because sometimes people want to do it horizontally, but I want to it vertically from up to bottom. So different time series. So you can run this one, and then so it's in vertical one. It's start from precipitation, relative humidity, temperature, and wind speed. So you have our mean monthly value down here. If it's overlap, you can just take it longer, something like this. So from January until December. So this is the mean value for each of these variables. So you have the legend here. So now you have all this result. Okay, thank you for watching.